Hi there. For many of us, it's a bright Friday, but it is cold out there and there is some ice around. That's ahead of Storm Bert, expected to bring disruption from snow, rain and wind for the first part of this weekend in particular. But Friday's relatively quiet compared with recent days and upcoming days. We've got northerly winds still. We've got a lot of ice, particularly where we've had sleet and snow during the last few days. And there will be further sleety or snowy showers coming into the north and northwest, but not as many as we've seen recently. And away from the showers, actually plenty of crisp November sunshine with temperatures of 7 degrees in the south, feeling a little more pleasant with lighter winds as well. But under those clear skies, temperatures will fall quickly overnight. After dark, widely below freezing and significantly below freezing for Scotland and parts of northern and eastern England. Further west, cloud thickens, the wind picks up and outbreaks of rain move in. As that happens, we'll see some snow for a time across parts of Northern Ireland, especially over higher parts, likewise for mid and North Wales. But you can see the temperature contrast, 11 degrees at this stage in Cornwall, just above freezing or below for the east of the UK, and as a result, well, quite quickly the snow turns to rain for Northern Ireland and Wales, but a more significant spell of snow develops across northern England and much of Scotland. Now we're expecting during Saturday morning that snow to accumulate thick and fast, accompanied by strong winds. There'll be blizzards over the hills and drifting of the snow, as well as power line accumulations, so the risk of interruptions to power supplies. In other words, treacherous conditions for northern England and Scotland. And in terms of accumulations, well, in just a space of a few hours, 5 to 10 centimetres at lower levels, especially around the Vale of York and also for the Central Belt, and as much as 20 to 40 centimetres over hills. So if you've got travel plans, I would urge you to think again, because it really is going to be horrendous for travelling across parts of Scotland and northern England, and there could be significant impacts. But we then see the mild air push in, and during the afternoon the snow turns back to rain, and for many northern parts of the UK, very quickly temperatures rise and we've got this rapid thaw setting in. That, combined with the heavy rain across many northern and western parts of the country, we'll see the risk of flooding. Although it's been a dry November so far, when we're talking about rainfall accumulations of 40 millimetres widely and more than 100 millimetres for western hills, that could cause some localised flooding and some impacts on the roads as well by the end of Saturday. But you can see the wind is also strong, with wind gusts of 60, even 70 miles an hour for exposed coasts and hills. So all in all, a very lively day of weather, and I would recommend that you pay close attention to the latest forecasts and warnings. And of course, travel disruption would be worth factoring in to any plans through the weekend. It is then turning much milder, with temperatures in the mid-teens later Saturday and into Sunday, but staying blustery on Sunday with further rain at times before something a little quieter into the start of next week. We'll keep you updated right here on the Met Office. We'll have a much more detailed updates in the Weather Studio Live, which of course we do on our YouTube channel at 12:15 every Friday, so join us for that if you can. It's your opportunity to ask us questions about the upcoming weather. Bye-bye.